Hello, students. Hope you all are safe with your family and following your online studies. Children, in the last video, you all studied Chapter 2, the Sun, Moon, and the Earth, in which you all studied the Moon's motion, position, phases, and the angles made by the Earth, Moon, and Sun. Today, in this video, we will study eclipses and solar eclipse. Students, let us begin with eclipses. The orbital path of the Earth and that of the Moon are not in the same plane. The Moon's revolutionary orbit makes an angle of about 5 degrees with that of the Earth. As a result, the Moon intersects the plane of Earth's orbit twice during one revolution. On each new moon day, the lines joining the earth and the sun and the moon make an angle of 0 degree, whereas on each full moon day, this angle is of 180 degree. Even so, the sun and the earth and the moon may not be in one straight line in the same plane on every new moon or full moon day. Hence, eclipses do not occur on each new moon or full moon day. Children, however, sometimes on a new moon day or a full moon day, the three fall in one line and are in the same plane. Eclipses occur on such occasions. Students, I hope you all must have understood everything till here. Now let us proceed towards solar eclipse. Students, now let us learn about solar eclipse. If the moon is between the sun and the earth, the shadow of the moon, see the shadow of the moon? It's shown in blue color over here, falls on the earth. At such a time, these three celestial objects are on the same plane and fall in one line. Hence, the place on earth where the moon's shadow falls experiences a solar eclipse. This shadow is of two types. Now, children, you see the central portion of the earth? That is here, okay, is darker, and the peripheral, this portion, is light. In the area of dark shadow on the earth, the sun becomes completely invisible. This condition is known as total solar eclipse. However, during the same period, at the places where the shadow is lighter, children, here we are talking about the peripheral, okay, this portion, the sun disk appears partially covered, and children, this condition is described as partial solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse is seen in a very limited region of the earth. Students, sometimes the moon is in apogee position. Now, what do you mean by apogee? This means it is at the farthest from the earth. As a result, the deep shadow of the moon, children, we are talking about the blue color shadow which is shown in the picture, is cast in space and does not reach the earth. Children, do you see the moon's shadow, the point? It's not reaching the surface of the earth. This is what we are talking about. From a very small region of earth, only an illuminated edge of the sun disk is seen in form of a ring. This is called annular solar eclipse. Annular eclipse is a rare phenomena. Students, I hope that now the concept of eclipses and solar eclipse is very clear to you all. Let us look at the characteristics of solar eclipse. First one, a solar eclipse occurs on a new moon day, but not on every new moon day. Second, if and only if the sun, the moon, and the earth are in the same plane and fall in one line, the solar eclipses occur. The last one, the maximum duration of a total solar eclipse is 7 minutes and 20 seconds, that is 440 seconds. Students, see that you read chapter 2, page number 4 and 5, that is Eclipses and Solar Eclipse, in order to have a better understanding of what you all have studied today. Thank you and take care.